Brad Williams, XL Prime. Creating a frequency distribution. Well, we've seen this a couple other times. We've seen it in the conditional formatting. We could do it there. We could also do it in the analysis pack where we have all this statistical stuff and we can spit that out. But we're just going to do it here, and it doesn't take much effort using the frequency function. Frequency function counts values that fall within a specified range. And then we can just throw those into a bucket. Then we can just throw in a chart and just look at a histogram. Here we have a range, which is we have names and then we have scores. This is all dynamic. I just use random between. I built some buckets. We have scores here in the random between 50 and 100. Meaningless, they're just random. Luckily, everyone here is going to have a passing score, 50 above. I guess D minus is passing. We're going to use the frequency tool to look at this data, and then it's going to put it into the bucket. The frequency looks at C5, and it looks at E10. It just throws that number into that bucket. It sees between 70 and 80. How many 70s and 80 are there? We have 72, and then we have 80. It counts the 80. So we have 2. And then we have 100, and it shows 3. Looking at, remember, what we're looking for is numbers greater than 90. We have 100. What we do is bucket this information. We can put up a simple chart. So let's just take a look here at frequency. We have a data array and bins array. We talked about this before. It counts values that fall within a specified range. Our specified range is 0 to 50. We're actually 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80, 89, 90 to 99, and then 100. Or something real close to that. It could be the other way around. It could be 0 to 50, 51 to 60. Let's look. Let's dig a little deeper. Old school, we'd have to put brackets. That's why I have this example. Then I have one with new school, no brackets. Same thing, but it spits out an extra bit of data, and that's because it's going greater than 100. Let's do something here. Let's go 99 and F9, and that doesn't work. There's some things within Excel. This is a spill. I know you guys are more comfortable with that spill feature, but this one spills over into a row that has no explanation, and you can't delete it. I'm going to hit delete, and it doesn't go away. Why is it spilling over? I'll let you know. But right now, I've been messing around with this for a long time, and I don't have an answer yet. Details to follow. Let's go into the frequency. Data array, well, we know it's C5 to C11. The bins array is 5060. Do I need to break this down anymore? We have 50. Do we have a 50 score? No, let's just keep playing around with this. Let's see if we can get a 50. It looks as though it's going 0 to 50. F9. So now we have 50. What if we put in 49? I'm doing this on purpose. I hope you guys understand that. When I'm saying the bins, how do the bins work? Now we know. 50 and below. And I'm going to hit Control Z just to clear this out. F9. Then it goes 59 to 60. 61 to 70. You notice if I just put, notice there's 0. We hit 70. So now we have 70, 68. We're looking at everything 0 to 50. 60 to 51. 70 to 61. Count 70, 65, 67, 69. That's 4. Hit it again, F9. We have 100. So we have 100 to 91. We have 97. We have 100. We have 96. So we're going down. Just so you understand how the numbers jive here with the frequency, it's trying to get an accurate count from actually 0 to 100. F9, you can just do this. In the spill feature, if I close this, in other words, if I put a space there, you can see the frequency closed up. If we go back reinsert it, hit OK. It's going to spill. And notice it's only spitting out one formula text. You can see that the formulas are just highlighted in a lighter color gray. C5, E14, E19, so on and so forth. And it goes C5, C11, E14, E19. And it spills out this number. And I don't know why. Here's the histogram. That's basically what a frequency table is. So you could see, is this random? Is this a bell curve? It should, if you ran enough samples. If you had a large enough sample and you did this a million times, you're going to find an average. And that's what we're doing here. We're just trying to find the mean, and that's pretty uniform across there. Here's a way to create a frequency distribution along with a chart. Brad Williams, XL Prime, out. Williams out.